What's up, YouTube? About to make a few quick trades. Wasn't planning on making a video. Basically, plan on putting out another series. Not even a series. I'm going to be trading just a regular day. No instructions, just in the charts trading. Not going to talk about what I'm doing, why I'm doing. I might talk about life, might talk about the chart, who knows, but it's not going to be instructional videos. It will be just me trading, and I'll be winning, I'll be losing, I'll be making the right decisions, I'll be making the wrong decisions. I will win trades while making the wrong decision. I will lose trades while making the right decision. Just a day in the life of a day trader, right? So, um, yeah, I'll get in the charts, make some trades, and we'll see if we can grow our accounts or not. Um, Depending on the amount, I'll stick to 5 trades a day or do more. It depends on how much I'm trading that day, what I'm feeling like. If I feel great, might do 1,000 a day. I mean 1,000 a trade, and I'll keep that down to 5 trades. If I win my first trade or my first 2 trades, I might just stop right there because that's the end goal, to make 1,000 a day. You know, 5,000 a week is my ultimate goal. If I can make 5,000 a week, I'm happy with it. I'm not. I mean, it's a lot, yeah, but some people want more. They'll push for more. 5,000 a week, and my life would be gravy for real. So if I can make $5,000 a week, I could live the life exactly how I want it and some. Like, I would be so comfortable. The family would be so comfortable. So that's the end goal, and I plan on being there by the end of this year, if not sooner. Obviously, I'm thinking sooner, and y'all will be here for that journey or whatever you want to call it. But so I don't know how should I put it? It depends on the day, how I feel. If I'm feeling real focused, if I just want to get in the charts and make a little profit, build the account up. So a lot of times you'll see $100 trades, and then eventually you'll see 500,000. It depends. But I'm done with the small account stuff. And if you were copying me, you did make 1,000. I'm back on private. If you want to copy me going forward when I'm doing my bigger trades, you'll have to hit that affiliate link. If you how should I put it? If you already have an account, you can easily delete that and register a new account with the affiliate link. If you are affiliated to me on Pocket Options, if you registered using my link, you can just shoot me an email, hit me up on Instagram, and yeah, I'll let you copy. Other than that, um, nah. But I will say that I don't like this chart. I will say that you should learn this on your own, for yourself. Put it that way. Not on your own. You can take instructions from whomever you like, but you should learn this trade. Learn how to trade for yourself, not just try to find people to copy. To be honest, I've tried copy trading just because I wanted to have some income while I'm not trading. Worked out some, did not work out a lot. So just believe in yourself. Don't copy nobody, and do your thing. If you want to copy me, you can. Uh, I might lose your money. I might win you money. Nothing's for sure. A lot of times, my bankroll's a little bigger, so I'll lose like 5, 6 trades, and whoever's copying me, their stop loss comes in, or they'll lose their account, and then I bounce back, but they weren't there before the bounce back. So that's unfortunate. So it's best to just do your own thing, practice in the demo, and hit that live account, and only trade with what you can afford to lose. But let me try to get some trades in these charts. I'm just talking, man. This is not an instructional video. Just want to play some entries here for the homie in Mauritius, and see if we can motivate him a little bit. He's had some wins. He's been doing great in the demo. Had a good day live trading, had a bad day live trading. So he just wants some reassurance to make sure he knows what he's doing. I feel like he knows what he's doing. Just got to be in the right chart at the right time, and you'll be good to go. Now this is moving up and down a little fast, but I feel like I can catch it moving in a certain direction really good. It's going up and down, but I feel like I can catch the rhythm of it. So this is not a chart I recommend being in. But I was watching it just now and I felt like I could catch it, but I'm wrong because now it's doing something I wasn't expecting at all. It had wicks on both sides, just going up and down, and you could have just caught it going either way, catching the reversals. Oh yeah, we're gonna get it here. Yeah, again, not a chart I recommend being in, but it's pushing strong in certain directions, and if you catch it, like it was coming up, if you catch it coming down, reversing, then yeah, you can just ride that wave. Now it's already acting real choppy, so I don't even want to mess with it here. I was gonna get it in there, but I noticed like it's almost at the end of the candle. Might start retracting. Who knows what it's doing? So I'll leave it alone. Should I stay in this chart? Because this is not a chart I recommend to be in. But I'm watching it and I'm seeing how it moves. So that's one trade, right? We got one. We up one. Winning that first trade is great. Winning the second trade, the first and second trade even better because now you have like a cushion. You know, you're up two trades. Um, from then on, you're just like, hey, if I lose two in a row right now, I'm still breaking even, but minus the 8%. So you're not breaking even right away, but you're not losing a bunch. So basically, like you might have you win two, you lose two. You might have lost. You lose a little percentage, but not a lot. You haven't lost two whole trades, so you don't feel too bad. You can just quit or keep going, whatever the case. But if you win the first two, lose one, then we like win one or two more, you're good to go. If you win one, lose one, yeah. Now if you lose your first two trades, that's when it gets tricky. That's when you get frustrated. Do you keep going? Do you get that back? Do you stop? That's a tricky one. So I always try to be patient. At least get my first one in. I like to get like two good ones, man. And from there, you're good to go. Like this is real choppy, but I'm just watching this chart, man. I feel like I can kind of predict it still, but yeah. So what I like about this chart, what I don't like about it is it's choppy. You can see that here. Only thing I like about this chart is how the stochastic is moving here. It's going up, going down, going up. This might be a good chart where you're trading for like a minute, you know. But let me get out this chart and find a better one. Actually, I don't know why I'm stuck here. Ooh, it would have got me. You see that? Yeah. I'm just going to keep it moving and follow my own advice. I could already tell you right here, this ain't moving right. See, we got all these wicks. This chart's just doing whatever. Let's see what American Express has to offer. See what this next candle does. So sometimes when I'm making the videos, I forget how many trades I made, if I'm up, if I'm down, but I remember here. So this here is a tricky one. It's moving right, but it's not like it's pushing up, but then it's retracting again, And I mean, they will retract a little and come up, but it's retracting too much. You see what I'm seeing? So what I'm saying? Like, I don't like it how it's jumping up and down. Comes up, comes back down. It'll spike you out a lot. So normally I would try to be in this chart, but then I would lose because it'll push up and come back down. You see that? So it'll mess you up big time because you'll try to catch it pushing. It'll spike you out. You'll lose and it goes right back up, and that's the most frustrating. So not messing with it. Apple ain't looking right. Boeing. I'm just happy I'm up one trade, to be honest. Boeing, what you got for me? These candles look nicer, but see? Push up. I'm just trying to see if it's, bouncing up and down. Yeah, that'll spike you out right there. I'll see what this next candle does here. Looks like we might have some decent candles here, but I'm not sure, man. The homie from Mauritius got me in these charts. About to stress out, man. I shouldn't be in here. Let's see. Facebook. Nope. Let me go back to Boeing. What it do, bamboo? No, Robert. See, I'm telling myself, what are you doing? No, dog. Facebook. See, I'm too eager to trade. I want to trade, and the chart's not moving right. So I could be screwing myself. This is where you battle yourself, your own bad habits. Y'all heard me see. I talked to myself. I told myself no, because I was about to get in there, and I would have been losing. It's tough mentally to do the right thing because you're in the charts. You opened this app up, and because you want to trade. Oh, that was a good one. Shut up. Okay, it could have reversed on me. I don't know, but I felt like I would have gotten in here. I would have let it push. I'm gonna let it bounce. What's it gonna do? Yeah. Okay, so that was an iffy one. And then if I would have waited long, I definitely would have lost. So when it's pushing down, a lot of times it'll come up and push back down. I thought it was gonna do that. I mean, I won the trade, but it could have went either way. That was kind of a risk that I took there. But I'm up two trades, so we're good to go. But that wasn't the best entry. Now it coming down here would be good, but it's bouncing up and down. It's real inconsistent. Yeah, let's leave. Yeah, because pushing down, pushing back up, pushing down, pushing back up. Even though it looks right here, it's not pushing down hard enough here. It's not actually moving the candles. The stochastic's moving, but the candle's not moving. Candles are actually the market's kind of volatile right now. It's just moving up and down. I mean, this is all bad right here. No consistency. You might be able to catch a good candle. I mean, it looks good here, but is it coming right back up? What is it doing? So it's a nice push. I feel like it might cross here. Is the stochastic going to cross here? Absolutely not. Yeah, I don't need to be in this chart either. I'm trying to find some entries, man. I like my first entry, um, but the second one, I mean, it was me just going off of the feeling, how I feel about the chart. It wasn't really a good, I didn't use the indicators or anything much on that. I mean, I didn't go by what I usually preach. It's just me being used to trading and seeing what I see, but not sticking to the game plan, and that could have went either way. Now this seems like it might be moving all right, man, but it's not. All right. Sorry, man. I'm not finding a lot of good entries for you guys. Just did a bunch of talking, rambling, no consistent. How should I put it? Not staying on any kind of subject, but that's just what I do. If you watch my videos, I talk. There's some good information in there, and then a bunch of nothing, I guess. But it's all uncut. It's all real. So now, right now, I'm stuck on wanting to do 5 trades. I did 2. I'm supposed to do 5 trades a day, whatever the case. But I'm just not feeling the charts. Is this coming down here? What's it gonna do? It doesn't want to push up, seems like. Okay. Yeah. I'm just not feeling these charts, man. Let me go to the currency pairs, see what we can see. A couple more options. Then at the stocks, I like sticking with the stocks. Honestly, I stick with the stocks because I've had most of my success in the stocks, and there's not a bunch of choices. So I just click around, find something good, and we're good to go. But all of them were like not really moving the way I would like. So let me go into the currency pairs, see if I can find something good. I'll wait for the next candle here. See what it do. Yeah, it seems to be nice and consistent with the stochastic here. Yeah, I think I like this chart. So let's see what we can do. Let's wait. I might have to wait for the next candle and then just, when it starts, if it's in the overbought, you know, we'll catch it coming down, vice versa. If it's oversold, we'll catch it coming up. We'll see what's up. I like that it's not jumping around too much. Well, right now I don't like what it's doing, but we'll catch the next candle. The next candle will move in a direction nicely for us, I'm sure. Okay, not too sure, but we'll see what's up. Nah, don't trust that. Okay, yeah, gonna catch it coming up here. Come up. Okay, wrong, totally wrong. Ah, frustrating. We're 2-1. Could easily be 1-2. I'm forcing it right now, to be honest. I'm glad I'm doing small trades right now, to be honest. Usually, if I were in these charts, I would have just left because it's not moving how I would like. This is a weird one because it's not very volatile. but it might be moving too slow, to be honest. It's just it's not bouncing up and down, but it's just stutter stepping you. Yeah. That's three trades. Let's get two more. Let's see if we can see this one. Let's see. So we're 2-1. You know, if I get lucky and win a trade, I take that because it's been plenty of times where I feel like I got cheated. I didn't get cheated. I mean, it is what it is. You know, the chart moves how it moves. But I made the right call and it just spiked me out. So whenever it goes the other direction, you know, I get lucky on a trade, I take that. I'm not ashamed of it. I actually laugh to myself. Nope. Just trying to find something, man. It's just not a good time to be in the OTC markets, period, seems like. Normally I would just stop and come back another time, right? Or, you know, I hit my two trades and I see, you know, I'm trading. I got two, but I'm not comfortable with the trades I made. I'll just get out and take my win and be happy that I didn't lose those trades because the chart's not moving like I like. So this video, I apologize, is a bunch of nothing, man. But I made the video and I'll go ahead and post it. Uh, so now we're 2-2. I didn't watch the chart long enough to see what it's doing. It reversed on me right away. I like that trade, man, but it came back up on me. You know, it normally continues to push down, but it came back up here. Unfortunate. So we're 2-2. Let's see if we can go 3-2 or 2-3. That's just reality. Happens to the best of us. But I will say, I recognize early on I don't like the charts. I'm really only in here for the content now, you know. This is kind of like sometimes I'll say, hey, I'll make a video next week or whatever. But I don't like giving myself deadlines only because if the charts ain't moving right, I'm not going to make a video. I'm not going to be trading in it. But then I said I would, and I end up making a video, so it's kind of frustrating. Yeah, this video is pretty much not a good instructional video. It just shows you where I'm making the wrong decisions. I mean, it shows you what not to do. You know, it shows you to not be in charts that are not moving the way you like. It shows you I'm being patient and waiting, but you know, I'm still taking trades I shouldn't take only to be taking them, and that's the wrong answer. Let it retract a little, come down. Yeah. So I read that right. So this chart, it pushes. On these candles, I noticed it was pushing. It'll wait, stutter a little bit, push, stutter, push. You know, like here's coming up, stutters, then it'll come up, stop a little bit, come up. So I was just letting it stop, you know. So that's 5 trades. So I think I'm out here. And I'll holler at y'all. Dudes. Yeah, see, now it's just acting crazy again. That's 5 trades. We went 3-2. Uh, I like this last trade. I like the first trade was decent. Second trade, I mean, I won it. So I won the first 2, lost 2 after that, won this one. So I'm 3-2. It's not a bunch of profit, considering, you know, the 8%. So it's a small profit, but I'll take it. Y'all saw I wasn't really happy with the charts. uh, but, you know, I'll post this. And, you know, this is reality. Sometimes it's not moving right. So if it's not moving right, you have to fight the urge to continue to stay in here and trade. And just get away from it, come back later, or stay in it and wait for charts to move right. Like, so I went into the currency pairs, and this chart's okay, actually. You know, I think I could hit this chart a couple of times here. But, you know, there's plenty more to choose from here at the currency pairs, right? And I'll go down to 91%, 89 if it's moving right. Now, after 89%, I kind of don't even like being in it no more. I like to stick to the 92, 91, 90 if the chart's moving nicely and I can keep hitting it. I mean, any profit, I don't care if you profit 30%, you made a profit, but you just can't counteract those losses, you know? If you lose in that, you know, you got to win like 3 trades at 30% in order to counteract one loss. That's crazy. So, yeah. I felt like I get this. I felt like I could get this candle here. Where we at? Idiot. It's gonna come back down. I just noticed how this chart's moving. It's coming back down. When it comes back down, I'll get it. It's not fighting up. It's coming down. Yeah. It's acting like it's going to be a green candle. I mean, it might end up being green, but it keeps rejecting up here. It's coming down. Every time it spikes up, you can catch it coming down here. You can hit it here. It's not going to keep pushing up. You see what I mean? Like, these are simple things I'm just used to catching. You know, yeah. Yeah, it was acting. How should I put it? Yeah, I'm just used to looking at these charts. It was faking us out, acting like it was going to just be going up. But I noticed it kept rejecting, kept rejecting. So I just hit it twice where it was rejecting here. But so many different ways to trade these charts. Just study it and get used to how it moves, man. You know, you'll see it if it's just a nice steady flow. Just trade in that direction. If you catch it rejecting a lot, you know, you can catch the rejection. Just know you have to feel like you know what you're doing. If you lose, understand why you lost. Be like, I shouldn't have been in that, or just be like, I made the right choice. You know, but know why you made that choice. Basically, don't just hit the button. Know why you made the choice. If I think it's going up here, I hit it and it goes down. You know, oh, it actually did that. But you know, I thought, you know, I could have thought it was just pushing up, reject it. I mean, just know why you're making the choice you make. Even if you're wrong, there has to be a method behind it. Like I say, method behind the madness. You have to know why you did it. If you don't know why you're doing what you're doing, now you're just pushing buttons, man. I'm going to actually stop this video for real this time. Appreciate y'all watching. Stay tuned for my other videos I will be posting next week with some higher amounts here. And we'll be a little more consistent. Win or lose, we're going to be in these charts. 5 trades a day. If I'm in there, I'm doing $100 trades. If I win my first 2, I might just stop. I mean, what's the point of me going? Like, when I'm going to be trading now, it'll be at higher amounts. So Any profit will be real good profit. I'm not actually going to be building small accounts anymore. If you're building a small account, every trade matters. You're slowly building it. When you have a bigger account, your trades are going to be big enough to where if you win your first trade or your second trade, you're good for the day, man. Okay, you make that $100 extra dollars that day, you're good to go. So I might just do it to where I do like 2 trades, 3 trades, who knows, and just go from there. I might do a trade, win it, lose the next one, lose the one after that, and be like, let me stop. It all depends on how I'm feeling, how the charts are moving. I guess stay tuned and you guys will see. This is a long video. I apologize. This is a bunch of nothing. But might be some good information in there. But just shows you how, how it is, man. I can't win all the trades. I can't win all of them. You just got to stay consistent. I bet you I'll win more than I lose for sure over time. So don't get down on yourself if you have a losing day. If you have 2 losing days, you could end up having 3 winning days right after that. Just trade at 5%. If you're building a smaller account, trade at 5%, 2%. If you want to be really safe, but at 2%, it's gonna grow really slow. At 5%, it'll grow at a decent rate. I think 5% is good to go, and just keep it moving, y'all. I'll holler.